வேண்டுதல் வேண்டாமை இலானடி சேர்ந்தார்க்கு யாண்டும் இடும்பை இல. The meaning of this Quran is the trouble of life do not touch those who have taken refuge at the feet of the one who desires nothing and rejects nothing.
It's story time, folks.
Long ago, there lived a powerful demon king, Hiranyakashipu. He was feared across the worlds. He was full of arrogance and believed himself to be greater than any god. He wanted everyone to worship him and him alone. But in his own palace, his own son chose a different path. His son Prahlada was calm, kind, and deeply devoted to Bhagavan Vishnu. No matter how much he was warned, Prahlada never stopped chanting Vishnu's name. This angered Hiranyakashipu. Again and again, he tried to break the boy's faith. But Prahlada did not argue. He did not hate. He did not fear. Finally, the king gave a cruel order. Take him to the mountain, he ordered, and throw him down the mountain. Dark clouds gathered. Winds howled across a towering cliff. The soldiers brought Prahlada to the edge of the mountain. Below him, nothing but deep cliff. But Prahlada stood still. No tears, no resistance. He simply closed his eyes and chanted Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. He chanted the name of Vishnu. With one push, the child was thrown into the abyss. Down he fell through the roaring wind into the unknown. And yet, something different happened. There was no fear in the boy's face, no struggle in his body, because Prahlada neither desired to live or to rule, and nor he feared to die. He had surrendered completely to Bhagavan Vishnu, and in that surrender, the fall lost its power. Hiranyakashipu lost his power. The storm softened, an unseen divine force gently carried Prahlada and saved him. Lo, Prahlada was safe. Prahlada touched the ground safely. He opened his eyes, calm as ever, as if nothing had happened. From this Kural, what we learn is for the one who rises beyond desire and beyond fear, there is no suffering. This is the strength of true surrender. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.